we're going to be solving one-step equations using multiplication and division. Save the turtles. Gus.
Southwest 212, let's do some more math. All right, on this one right here, on the left side, we have division. So I'm going to be using multiplication to undo that division that's happening on this left side. That's what matters, what's happening to the variable. So instead of divide 6, I'm going to be showing a multiply 6. I'm using a dot. I'm not using a times symbol. Sorry about that. The number 5, problem number 5 is so close to this. If I do it on the left, I need to do multiplication on the right. So dot 6 on the right and on the left. Here's what happens. Timesing 6 and dividing 6 cancels each other out and makes a perfect 1. And when you have 1 times a variable, well, it's just 1. So x equals, and now we're going to do it on this side, 6 times negative 4. A negative times a positive is a negative, and 6 times 4 is 24. That's how you'd want to show those steps. Now let's take a look at a multiplication one. All right. On this one, I see that x is on the left side. Remember, the equal sign divides an equation into left and right. So I need to get rid of the negative 5. Not just the 5, the negative and the 5 with the x. So let's divide the 5. And to get rid of a negative, we know that a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So I'm also going to divide by the negative. I'll do that also on the right side, negative 5. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we are just left with x on the left. And on the right, we have a negative into a positive, so I know it's negative. Now I only need to figure out what 5 into 45 is, so that's 9. And circle it. SW212, over and out.